Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best baby tricycle strollers that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Doona Liki Trike S3 Baby Tricycle Stroller. The Doona Liki Trike S3 Greyhound is built to support a growing child in a practical and compact way. Its foldable structure allows for smooth transitions from one mode to another as the child develops. This design supports daily travel by fitting into car trunks and most airplane compartments, making it easy to take along during family outings or trips. Its build offers freedom of movement and helps maintain a child's interest during walks or short rides. This tricycle promotes development by offering a mix of activity and balance training. As the child becomes more confident, they can move through different riding stages with guidance. The transition feels natural and steady, helping the child remain active while improving basic coordination. The backrest adjustment is made with a simple mechanism, making it easy for adults to provide a comfortable seating position at any time. This design detail gives added flexibility throughout the day. The structure includes thoughtful support elements like a safety harness, armrest, and canopy for protection and stability while riding. Its strong build uses fiber-reinforced materials and durable components to stand up to regular use. The design is not only meant for comfort, but is made to last over time. With included accessories like a cup holder and storage bag, daily rides become more organized. The Doona Liki Trike S3 Greyhound arrives already set up, offering a convenient experience for both parents and children from the very beginning. In our list, the number 2 product name is JMMD Foldable Baby Tricycle Stroller. The JMMD Baby Tricycle in Pink is built to match the changing needs of growing children, making it suitable from toddler years through early childhood. Its flexible design helps support a child's development by adjusting to various riding stages. Whether used indoors or outside, it offers smooth handling for daily use without causing disturbance or noise. Its frame structure is made to support playful exploration while giving parents control over direction and movement. The materials are selected to allow the tricycle to perform well on different surfaces while keeping the ride steady. The design also includes comfortable seating, which can help keep the child calm during longer strolls. Supportive elements such as a safety belt and cushioned seat create a secure space for the child to sit comfortably. The push handle helps the parent maintain direction while walking, reducing effort and improving overall control. This thoughtful addition is important for daily errands or time in the park. The removable sun canopy provides protection during warm weather and adds value when spending time outside. The structure has useful brake systems and steady tires which support safe movement across paved or uneven paths. It allows for balance and growth by offering a riding experience that encourages confidence. The JMMD Baby Tricycle is designed to meet the needs of both the child and the parent while keeping movement easy, secure, and fun. Its foldable style allows for simple storage and travel, helping families enjoy time outdoors or on the move. In our list, the number 3 product name is CITELER Toddler Baby Tricycle Stroller. This toddler tricycle in pink is made to support children from early months to early childhood, allowing them to enjoy different stages of riding. Its flexible form gives parents the ability to guide younger children and later lets the child take over as they grow. This trike adapts to changing needs while making movement safe and easy. Its seat can rotate fully to help keep eye contact between the child and the adults during walks. The design includes steady wheels and a body made from carbon steel, offering support for daily use across indoor or outdoor ground. Its structure is meant to provide lasting performance without affecting the comfort of the rider. The protective elements, including the belt and armrest, add layers of support to help prevent slips or sudden movements. This keeps the ride safer and helps parents stay relaxed while guiding the tricycle. The double brake system makes it easier to stop or control speed during movement on slopes or uneven roads. The push bar can be raised or lowered depending on who is using it, helping adults push with less effort. This control point also gives more stability in crowded places or during long strolls. The sun canopy can be adjusted based on light or shade, helping keep the child cool. Its foldable frame allows simple storage or packing when needed, making it a good choice for travel or regular outings. This toddler tricycle blends comfort, balance, and ease into one reliable product for growing children. In our list, the number 4 product name is Anna Queen Toddler Baby Tricycle Stroller. This baby tricycle in gray is designed for young children between 1 year and 3 years of age, offering a smooth ride through early development stages. Its compact frame supports different forms of riding and helps children build confidence with time. The seat can be turned around to allow better interaction between child and parent during walks or outings. The soft seating area helps keep the toddler relaxed while riding, and the footrest mode allows them to take a break during longer strolls. The pedals and push handle are placed to support easy use and offer stability as the child learns to steer or balance. The adult can guide movement using the adjustable push bar without bending or discomfort. This toddler tricycle includes helpful safety additions to create a more secure ride. The closed wheels and belt work together to keep the child protected while moving through sidewalks or open areas. The brake at the rear and lock on the front tire help provide full control when stopping is needed. The folding frame allows for fast setup or storage. Whether for city use or travel by car or airplane, the Trike fits easily into small spaces, which helps parents take it anywhere. The storage bag attached to the tricycle offers space for carrying small items during the ride. With its mix of comfort, safety, and size flexibility, this baby tricycle supports daily use and playful experiences during the early years of growth. In our list, the number 5 product name is CIESMSI Folding Baby Tricycle Stroller. This baby tricycle is designed to match the growing needs of children from 7 months to 5 years of age. Its flexible form allows it to switch between different riding modes, helping young children move from guided strolls to independent rides as they grow. The seat rotation allows a child to face either direction, offering better interaction or outward viewing during rides. The dual pedal system gives the choice between resting and active use, making it easier to adapt to a child's energy level. Whether the child is learning to balance or is already confident, this tricycle offers a setup that adjusts smoothly to each stage. Its build supports weight up to 55 pounds, making it useful for a wide age range. The folding structure is helpful for storing or traveling. It can be packed into small spaces like car trunks, offering an easy way to carry it during trips or family outings. The seating cushion is made with material that can be removed and cleaned easily, helping keep the ride fresh and tidy. The design includes a secure belt and guardrail to help hold the child safely while riding. With the addition of rear brakes, the adult can stop the trike quickly if needed. This tricycle includes a rear box and front basket, giving space to carry small toys or supplies while on the move. This kid's trike provides a smooth combination of comfort, convenience, and safety for both everyday use and outdoor play. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.